This tutorial is for anyone who wants to create a charge in Kaui. The Create Charge feature is available depending on your user roles and permissions. Adding a charge creates a new invoice. To create a charge, go to the Account page and click Create Charge at the top of the Billing Info section. To set the invoice as a draft instead of immediately committing it, uncheck the Auto Commit box and enter the amount of the charge. Currency defaults from the customer account and should not need to be changed. Enter a description of the charge and add comments. These two steps are optional. What you type here displays on the customer's invoice. Click Save and the system generates an invoice. If you unchecked the Auto Commit box, click Commit it if required. Otherwise, it will stay in draft mode and can be found under Invoices when you're ready to commit it. Returning to the customer account page, you'll also see that the account balance reflects the new charge, in red. For more information, please visit docs.killbill.io to learn more about Kaui, its features, and configurations.